Good day and welcome to learning exercise 5.1.1. We're looking at functions and parabola. Unit 1, we're looking at a summary of sketches related to y equal ax squared plus bx plus c, considered elementary. You should know this from grade 10. So general equation, y equal ax squared plus bx plus c. If that a value there is a positive, like positive 2, 1, 7, 10, my parabola must always be a smiley face. If that a value is negative, meaning minus 1, minus 2 or thing, my parabola ends up being a sad face. Right? X-intercept, to find my x-intercept, where it cuts the x-axis, I always have to make y equal to 0. So equation would read 0 equal ax squared plus bx plus c, and will then require you to factorize to find your 2x intercepts or 1x intercept. Right, y-intercept, we make x equal to 0, so basically wherever x appears, we're just going to substitute in 0, and we're going to be left with the c value. Alright, I hope you follow. On the parabola, just for those of you that forgot, you should understand that this is referred to as a y-intercept. Here it cuts the x-axis, that is referred to as a x-intercept. The line that cuts the graph into two equal halves to ensure that this half looks like that half is referred to as the axis of symmetry. And this point here, where the graph turns, is referred to as my turning point. So to find axis of symmetry, we will use x equal minus b divided by 2a. So I'm going to substitute in my b and my a values, and then I would get x equal to whatever value. At my turning point, I should know the axis of symmetry I calculated gives me my p value, which is minus b over 2a, and that p value then must be substituted back in the original equation to get my q value. So there you see wherever x is, I've taken the value of that x and I substituted in. Domain for parabola will always be x element of real numbers. So there's no thinking. X element meaning it touches all the x values as we plot it. Right? It's a set of all the permissible values of x. 8, if a is greater than 0, my range y must be greater or equal to whatever q value I have. Or I can write it also as the range equal to close bracket q, open bracket positive infinity, meaning q is included and it goes all the way to positive infinity. Same thing applies. If my a is negative, my range must be less than q. So basically what I'm saying here, when a is positive, it's smiley face, the graph goes up, so my range is y or greater or equal to this point. Alright, if my graph is a sad face, meaning a is negative, my range would be y less or equal to whatever q value I have there, because the graph is pointing down. Hope you understand. All the best. God bless. Continue being great.